Brief explanation of the selection tool in custom rigging. And the mirror function. Newly created. Rig. Below the main body controller, there is a Select Tool button. Click it. You can see it's the same as the selection tool, but below it, there are additional copy-paste, controller mirror and flip functions. Just load the template directly. This is the template I made earlier. Click to see that I've marked these FK controllers. Because it has for hands, a multi-limb character, used to demonstrate mirroring between different modules. These are the multiple controllers marked. First, when creating, for example, this one. Custom rig. Let's quickly create one randomly. If you want to achieve mirroring or symmetry, for instance, here is an arm. After creating one arm, you first need to copy it, then create another arm and mirror it over. When creating, you must specify that it's mirrored, so that later when generating controllers, it knows it's the mirror of the other. This is the correct approach. It's best not to. For example, you create an arm and just drag it over. Doing that, the system won't know which one is its mirror. It's better that you create the left hand, copy it, then create another hand. Click Paste Mirror to mirror it over. This way it knows it's the mirror. Then later when you do mirror flips, you'll know how to operate. Let's proceed. First, let's talk about, there is an option here. One is controller, the other is module. Let's start with module mirror. Then controller mirror. First, copy something quickly. Click Copy. OK. Find the corresponding. This is my controller. Click it. Click Paste. Sometimes you'll find it doesn't work. You can close it, then reopen it. You need to load the template. Click Copy. Click Paste. You can see it's working again. Sometimes it might throw an error, causing the panel to freeze. You can just reopen it. Let's move this controller. Click Copy. Click Paste. You can see. If you are not satisfied with the result, you can click Reset. It will reset this controller. Only the currently selected controller. Of course, you copy this one. For example, reset this controller. You copied this controller, but paste it to this other controller. That also works, but the result depends on the source controller state, so the result will be different, but it still pastes. Okay, that's single selection. You can also multi-select, but you need to select in order. For example, if you want this arms, just these three controllers. You've animated all of them, and want to copy these three, then select them in order. Select these three. OK. Click Copy. It records the state of these three controllers. OK. Then click this one. In the same order. On the symmetric side. Whatever order you use here, use the same order there. Click Paste. And you can see, it pastes in the same order as before. For example, if you select these four palm controllers, spread them like this. OK. Click Copy. OK. then click in order on this side as well. OK. Click paste. It pastes as well. That's the mirroring of individual controllers. The left-right mirror effect. Reset works the same way. You can select these controllers, click reset, and it will reset the corresponding controllers. OK. The other one is for modules. Module copy and paste. A module means, for example, this hand is one module. The head is a module, just like when we created them earlier. For example, create one randomly, the ones highlighted here. Skin, and then these. Spine, head, hand. Each of these counts as a module. Module, mirroring. OK. First, for example, this hand module, mirroring of a limb module. And flipping requires setting its mirror. Which module is its left-right mirror? For example, this hand module, click this. At the bottom of the IC or FK settings panel, there is a mirror option. Click it. OK. Click again. It will mark this module. Then when you click on the corresponding module, it will show which side that module belongs to. For example, this controller is 2, and this side is 2 and 3. They correspond 1 to 1, like this leg. This leg, first switch to FK. Switch to IC. Switch this side to IC as well. Then below you can set mirror. Click it. You can click any controller of this leg. It will mark number 1. You can click any controller of this leg. It will automatically recognize the current module. OK. Now let's demonstrate mirroring an entire module. For example, this hand. Move it here. OK. The whole palm. Spread open. Here, select module. Click copy. Then select this controller. Click paste. You can see the whole hand is mirrored. Copy it again upward. Click paste. The whole hand flips. For example, this hand. Take a look first. It has its module. Then, for example, rotate it like this. Click copy. And it pastes. Module reset also works. For example, mess up this hand. Break it. Select the module. If you reset by module, the whole hand, all controllers return to 0, back to the initial pose. OK. For flipping, once you've marked its left-right counterpart, click flip. It will flip based on the module. For example, I reset this hand. Reset the entire module. Then click flip. You can see it flips the corresponding hand. OK. In module mode, you only need to select any corresponding controller. Click reset. It will reset the entire corresponding module. But if you don't select anything, it won't reset. For example, this controller. It works based on the module. Click flip. Whichever module you selected, it flips that corresponding module, including, for example, the head module. Click flip. It also works. Because it's in the middle, it only has itself, so it flips itself. For example, the spine module. Click flip. It flips the entire spine. OK. Including skirt. OK. Click flip. You can see it flipped. Set it again. Click flip. It flips the entire module. Because it's a chain. Flipping a single chain. That's pretty much the whole tutorial on mirror flipping. Thank you, everyone.